Number 1.
1977 GMC Sierra 2500, price $3,500. This is a classic truck with 130,000 miles on it, featuring an automatic transmission and a distinctive green exterior paired with a black interior. This truck is completely original, retaining its factory paint and interior, which showcase a cool patina that adds to its vintage charm. Powered by a reliable 350 Ci V8 engine, it runs and drives well. The vehicle is equipped with vinyl floors and dog dish steel wheels, and it features twin fuel tanks for extended range. Recent updates include a newer carburetor, fuel filter and lines, tires with only 500 miles on them, and a new battery, ensuring dependable performance. While the truck's original paint still shows well, it is not without imperfections, displaying dents and scratches consistent with its age. Some rust is also present, primarily around the rocker panels.
Number 2.
1973 GMC C15, price $3,500. This is a classic truck with a clean title registered under the owner's name. While it's an older vehicle, it exhibits significantly less rust compared to many similar trucks of its era.
The truck is in good mechanical condition, starting easily and running smoothly.
It features a small block engine paired with a turbo 350 transmission and is equipped with a durable 14-bolt rear end. Although the seat has seen better days, a new seat cover has been added to improve its appearance. All components are in working order, and the truck runs, drives, and stops reliably, making it a dependable option for those seeking a vintage vehicle.
Number 3.
1990 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000, with 121,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. Powered by gasoline, this truck may be old and slow, but it runs exceptionally well. The interior is in near-mint condition and includes a wired subwoofer system, making it a comfortable and enjoyable ride. A new transmission has been installed, and the distributor has been replaced and correctly timed. While the paint shows signs of wear, it does not detract from the truck's overall performance and character. One issue to note is the presence of rust in the coolant system, which will require a chemical flush. However, the truck does not overheat and has proven its reliability by completing long drives lasting several hours without any problems.
Number 4.
1986 Ford F250, price $7,500, with 150,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a robust 6.9 IDI diesel engine. The exterior is finished in black, while the interior boasts a striking gold color scheme. This diesel-powered truck offers a dependable four-wheel drive system that operates flawlessly, making it a great choice for daily use or tackling tougher terrain. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well and has been used as a daily driver. It is equipped with brand new tires and a new starter, ensuring reliability on the road. While there is a minor oil leak, it is not significant and does not affect the overall performance. All in all, this F250 is a solid and practical choice for anyone in need of a durable diesel truck.
Number 5.
1972 Ford F250, price $6,500. This is a classic and dependable truck with 70,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 360 cubic inch engine. It features a brown exterior and red interior and runs on gasoline, blending vintage style with functionality. Recent upgrades include new tires on factory Ford 16 steel wheels, a Summit 2-barrel carburetor with electric choke, and a new power steering gearbox. The truck also has refreshed brakes, front axle bushings, a starter solenoid, a mechanical fuel pump, and cork-style valve cover gaskets. With a recent oil change and meticulous care, it starts and runs exceptionally well, making it both reliable and capable.
Number 6.
1979 Chevrolet C10, price $6,900. This is a classic short bed pickup truck that runs and drives well, making it an excellent candidate for a daily driver or a fun weekend cruiser. This truck has traveled 84,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. Its bold exterior is finished in a vibrant blue, while the interior is upholstered in a striking red, creating a unique and eye-catching contrast.
Powered by gasoline, the C10 delivers reliable performance and embodies the enduring appeal of vintage American trucks.
The truck's floors and paint are in fair condition, consistent with its age, but they still retain a solid, serviceable quality. While it does not come with a title, it includes a bill of sale and registration, simplifying the process for potential buyers who appreciate its charm and potential. Whether for daily use or restoration, this 1979 Chevrolet C10 is a dependable and versatile classic.
Number 7.
1983 GMC C10, price $6,900. This is an original truck that comes from Oregon, showcasing a Centurion conversion package. It features a 2WD drivetrain and a long bed, perfect for hauling or general utility. Under the hood, it boasts a 5.0L 305 V8 engine, providing a balanced combination of power and efficiency. The truck is equipped with dual fuel tanks, offering extra range for longer trips. With 99,000 miles on the odometer, it has been well maintained and is in great condition. The exterior and interior are both finished in a classic brown color, giving it a timeless and vintage appeal. It has an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience.
Recent upgrades include a new brake booster, ensuring the truck is in excellent working order. Number 8.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,995. Low-mileage truck with 145,100 miles on the odometer. This vehicle features a manual transmission and is powered by a 305 CI 5.0L V8 engine, delivering solid performance. The truck comes with a 5-speed manual transmission, giving it that old-school, hands-on driving experience. Its burgundy exterior and matching burgundy interior add to its vintage charm. It operates on gasoline and is equipped with 4WD, providing versatility for a variety of driving conditions. The truck also retains manual windows, door locks, and transmission, making it a simple, reliable machine with fewer components to break. With a straightforward design, this vehicle stands as a durable and functional choice for those who appreciate classic trucks.
Number 9.
1978 Ford F100, price $10,000. It has clocked 77,200 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The truck boasts a striking yellow exterior with a classic black interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 460 motor, providing ample strength and performance. Notably, it has a rebuilt transmission with just about 50 miles on it, ensuring smooth shifting and reliability.
The vehicle shows very little rust, reflecting its well-maintained condition.
Recent upgrades include a brand new gas tank, a new power steering pump, and a new windshield. The tires are still in great shape, with approximately 80% of their tread life remaining. This F100 is a fantastic example of a classic truck that has been carefully cared for and is ready for many more miles on the road.
Number 10.
1973 Ford F150, price $7,000. This truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and boasts a striking green exterior and green interior. Powered by a 4-barrel 289 engine with long tube headers, this truck offers excellent performance and a smooth driving experience.
It has been well maintained, runs and drives great, and is ready for the road.
The vehicle comes with wheels, but the seller is willing to sell it for a lower price of $6,000 without the wheels. The asking price is $7,000 with the wheels included. Please note, the seller is not considering any trade offers at this time.